sick shit! Fuck yeah, I just want to thank each and every one of you for making this a very successful expo. You helped many children by being here this weekend. Give yourselves a big round of applause! And I want to thank everybody who helped us out this year. Mel T, it was a fucking blast. I hate that it's almost over. Just to let you know, after the show, in the lobby directly, we'll have the awards ceremony kicked off for the tattoo contest yesterday. Right now, it's my pleasure to introduce you to Nassau Chainsaw and DDC from Brooklyn, New York, along with Skin Mechanics from No Hard Feelings Tattoos in Coral Springs. Give it up!
What's up, motherfucking South Florida? We're Nassau Chainsaw, the Great Land Demolition Committee from Brooklyn, fucking New York. This song is called Vomitorium.
You gotta